এটা হচ্ছে না বোধহয়, পারবে? Good evening, everybody. After a long time, I'm coming live, Sanskriti Kolkata's Facebook Live, the first after Pujo, in fact. Today, I'll show you some mixed collection of Sanskriti's latest festive collection that has been recently in stock. So just for briefing you, Sanskriti is a 30-year-old fashion house based out of Kolkata. We ship worldwide, cash on delivery in Kolkata only, and free shipping in Kolkata. We ship worldwide. International shipping depends on weight and destination. Booking system is take the screenshot and WhatsApp in the number provided. 7603042696 is the WhatsApp booking number. Tailoring orders accepted in both our branches. Please note down our address: 2C Confil Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. And if you want to stitch your blouses, suits, kurtas, you can connect to our tailoring department. So I'll start with the first one. The first sari is a very soft semi-Assam silk sari with a woven contrast border. The color is a midnight blue color and an aqua colored border. The combination is very pretty and it is so soft and ideal for gifting during this wedding season. Budget friendly sari, lightweight, especially for those who like saris for regular use, and very soft lightweight saris. We have these without contrast border also. This is the aqua color with the blouse piece, and here is the pleat part. See how beautiful the fall is coming. So it's very soft. You will love the fabric. Close up of the border, zari woven, and a solid colored body. Product number 1. And the price of the first sari is 2,500. 2,500 is the price. If you want to see more colors, you can WhatsApp and we'll send you the color chart. The second sari is in a pastel color. Very soft tissue chanderi sari. The upper border is sleeker than the lower border. The lower border comes in stripe and zari buta. The sari has all over pin stripe weaving. Here is the close-up of the zari buta and the border. Budget-friendly sari, affordable range, lightweight, price 1,800 with blouse piece. It comes with a tissue blouse piece, traditional sari in pastel chart, tissue blouse piece, 1,800. Good evening, Amara ma'am. How are you doing? Menswear collection in the Confil Road branch. So this is the first color of the sari. Product number 2. It's a peach tone and price is 1,800. Next, we have a strawberry pink color in the same tissue chanderi sari. Look at the weaving here. We have very pin stripe weaving and the buta, lower bordered in multiple stripe, zari and blouse piece. Again, another very budget friendly, pretty lightweight sari. 1800, number 3. Third number, 1800. This is the sari, 1800. Please show me a chikankari sari if you have. Of course, we have chikankari, Shukta ma'am. Any particular type you're looking for, we'll definitely show you. Okay, in now I'll show you a Ketia sari. This is a handloom woven sari in Ketia tussar and a woven border. This is a very beautiful color combination where we have the natural color brownish tone, Ketia tussar. You can see the texture in the sari. Nivedita Dheer, hi Lalia ji, catching up with your live after long. Ma'am, I'm doing this live after Pujo, the first after Pujo. So it's already, Pujo was in September. So September gone, October, November, after 2 months. Yeah, I'm not very frequent in live, but you will catch me in the YouTube channel, Sanskriti Kolkata. This is the blouse piece. Look at the color combination, but you can mix and match your jewelry. They look very pretty. A very traditional and very classy looking sari. In Ketia, Ketia is a byproduct of tussar. And this is hand woven. And here comes the blouse piece in mustard. This is the close-up of the sari. Look at the texture. We love this rustic, raw texture of the fabric. And the pallu and the blouse piece is in yellow tone with the tassels and blouses in contrast. You can mix and match with printed blouse. They look very, very pretty. This is the pallu. Price of this sari, beautiful sari, is 5,600 in tussar. Good evening, Swati ma'am. And I was seeing another comment also. Elena ma'am. Okay. Show bullion stitch. Okay, I've seen your live, chicken. I love these. Thank you. Thank you. Here is another combination of the Ketia. Here we have the red border. See the red border, and this is the texture of the tussar. Pallu. All our products are barcoded. Price mentioned 5600, number 5. Shipping worldwide, and you will get your invoice inside the parcel. Those who like an elegant, classy looking sari, this is a very pretty one. Now I'll move on to something. I'm just showing, this live is mainly to show some of the variety of products. This is a Pune silk sari with shaded. Upper part will be lighter lavender, lower part will be purple. So this is the shading of the sari, very elegant yet gorgeous. Purple lower part, upper part lavender, woven with zari, 9,900. You can see the shading, color difference. With the zari weave, pure silk handloom sari with blouse piece. But here you can wear it with purple plain silk blouse instead of this shaded blouse or a gold color blouse. 9,900 number silk, Pune silk shaded with tissue, and here is the pallu. Again, a very soft pure silk sari. I have a red color, coral color, which has a pin stripe. This has a very fine stripe in this. Swati ma'am, this blouse, you are liking it. This blouse is of a leftover fabric of a kurta that I'd made. So I didn't want to waste the embroidery. So made it in a mix match, just patchwork. Even you can see the back, it's all patchwork, see. So it's just, I don't want to waste embroidery, and I keep on saying also, don't waste, don't waste. You can do a lot of other things with the leftover fabrics also, like botua bags and all. Okay, moving on to this sari. It's in pinstripe with a red border. This is again a Pune silk, shaded coral color, coral to red, with a blouse piece. Very elegant piece, again soft, lightweight. 10,500. 10,500. This is the pallu. This is the wedding season, and we have this Karua Jal woven Katan silk Banarasi sari. It's a beauty and it's a masterpiece with Meena, and the color is such a beautiful ombre tone, dual tone. And here is the blouse piece. If you see the blouse piece, you'll get to see the exact color. This is the blouse piece weaving. This is the color combination. This is the pallu. Very beautiful sari. For the bridal collection, for wedding or for the reception, price of this number this is 18,900 with Meena. Close up of this beautiful Jal Katan Jangla Jal with Meena, 18,900. Dual tone ombre color. Look at the color tone. It's giving such a nice look and very vintage weaving done. Beautiful sari. Another brocade, soft, lightweight Banarasi sari, very Rekha style. This color is a peach tone with a pink border. So the color itself is also very pretty, peach with pink. And here is the pink Katan silk blouse piece with the border. Closely, I'll show you the close-up of the weave, but let me show you the full look of this stunning brocade, pure handloom Banarasi Katan. Price is 22,900, and here goes the close-up of the weave. Here is the close-up of the weave. It's a very soft peachish color with a Rani color border. Can you see the beautiful concept of the sari? Brocade, yet the color palette is so subtle, beautiful. The Rani color, and not a loud Rani. It's a very sober, soft, especially when the weaving has been done. The color has also been muted. It's beautiful. The sari is very, very pretty. And when you wear it with this Katan silk blouse, it will look more gorgeous. 22,900, pure hand woven brocade Banarasi sari. Another darker tone I'm showing you because many of you want darker chart also. So this is the wine color, dark wine, with again a Meena blouse piece. These saris are very rare edits. See the weaving. It's not just flat zari. It has a total pattern and the border, all nakshi and very interesting pattern. The Meena comes in the pallu part. Look at the Meena pattern in the pallu, 19,900. And this Meena again comes in the blouse piece. The teal color Meena, it again comes in the blouse piece. So this goes with this. The richness of pure Katan. Now moving on to our Bengal Shorno Chori. This white color, Shorno Chori, and comes with the buta. This is the buta of the close-up weaving. Very traditional sari. Do you do needle jamdani on tussar off-white? Yes, yes, ma'am. We do. What off-white jamdani now? Needle jamdani. See the beautiful pallu, big pallu. Revival balucho. This is Shorno Chori with copper zari and navy blue weaving. It's very unique, and the price is 11,900. Off-white with copper and navy. It's a very, very elegant, classy sari. Very elegant, classy sari. And we have the red in that. Price 11,900, red and gold with navy meena and this blouse piece. For booking, just take the screenshot. WhatsApp number 76030429696. Check out our YouTube channel Sanskriti Kolkata for more videos and reels. Instagram page Sanskriti Kolkata. These are the figure motifs that you get to see in the pallu. 11,900 numbered, the red one. And now again another Tussar Banarasi sari in deep chocolate. Tussar Banarasi in deep chocolate with a darker chocolate border and antique zari. Here is the pallu and tassel. Price of this is 13,900. All over buta, and it comes with a very beautiful digital printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Here is the sari. See the handloom weaving. This is the reverse side. Price 13,900, coffee color with a digital floral printed blouse piece to match with this. Isn't it beautiful? This is the opposite side. Let me show you the right side. Then you'll get to understand how gorgeous the sari will look once you wear it with this. Another tussar one with painting. Virgin color tussar. And here is the blouse piece. Price 14,900. Pure tussar, close-up of the weaving, selvage red border, black and red painting done, circular motif, antique pallu, contrast blouse piece, 14,900. Then we have this Parsi, Gara Parsi embroidery sari. Gara Parsi in Desi tussar. Konya buta. Full thread work. See how beautiful the floral embroidery is going. 16,900 with blouse piece. Gara Parsi in black. Welcome, Moushumi Guhorai ma'am, Komolini Shanal. Thank you, thank you. Welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata's Facebook Live. See the color combination. These are all silk threads that we've used. 16,900. And another one. This is a stunning purple with lot of work in the lower and upper border. So obviously the price will increase. See the amount of floral work, broad daman work. With blouse piece. Okay, somebody was asking for needle jamdani. I'll just show a few. The purple one, Gara Parsi purple, 21,900. Hand embroidery Moitri. These are all original Gara Parsi handwork. Yes, yes. Right, I must show the backside of the embroidery. You'll understand it's all thread work, hand embroidery. A must in a wardrobe. These are class, and you can, these are very rare nowadays. You don't get good Gara Parsi. All machine. Nowadays, all machine work. But this is all silk thread, original Gara Parsi. Now, somebody was asking about needle jamdani. We've just received this beautiful jamdani sari. This is a very beautiful jamdani, pure jamdani matka silk from Bengal. Sleek border. And this muslin jamdani big pallu, where you can see the multiple thread work, and this is budget friendly also because you get a big pallu, body buta, 10,900 needle jamdani with blouse piece. 10,900 needle jamdani. Okay, the one which is hanging behind me, raw silk lambani. 11,900 raw silk lambani with blouse piece. Tissue with full work blouse piece. And this is the temple border, raw silk lambani. Another combination is this Rani and black raw silk lambani sari, embroidery, blouse, price 11,900. More colors, patterns, designs available. And the one that I'm wearing a pure linen, cotton linen handloom sari with little sequins highlighted embroidery done. Tissue, silver zari tissue pallu, and these tassels from Bengal. Color midnight blue, silver zari border, silver zari pallu, tassels, running blouse piece. It has a running blouse piece. The jewelry set that I'm wearing, I'm wearing a earring. 1990 is the earring. 1,990 rupees the earring. Pure linen sari, what I'm wearing is 4,700. 4700. Color options available. Hand woven with silver sequins, silver border, silver pallu. 4700. You can check out our mix match blouse pieces also. Color option is red and gold. Brass sequins, gold pallu, gold with pallu tissue, 4,700, red with running blouse piece. But again, don't cut the blouse, or you can cut the blouse, whatever. It's a big sari, so you can cut the blouse or wear it with any contrast blouse. 4700, very comfortable, and the best part is it's handloom. You can wear with embroidered blouses. And then we have this orangish tone. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at the pallu. Tissue, this is again silver. The color is lovely. This is a very pretty color. And very comfortable as well. Pure handloom linen with weaving and sequins embroidered. Prices all mentioned. You will get the invoice in the shipment. Thank you so much. Hope you liked it. We have chicken saris. Just somebody was asking about chicken saris. So many collection available, work, handwork, and we are coming up with more collection in the YouTube channel, Sanskriti Kolkata. Thank you so much.